Some of us like safety assemblies, some of us don't like safety assemblies, but safety assemblies are there at schools for a reason, to teach us how to be safe with certain things. And we all need to be safe wherever we are and learn about safety wherever we are. Hi everybody, it's Mena. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is the very first video that you're seeing of me, then welcome to my channel. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you didn't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about my top 5 safety assemblies for school. So these are really great safety assemblies for kids at school, whether young, old. I mean, there's some kids that already know this stuff, but it's good to go over it so kids understand how to be safe anywhere they go or any place they're at, because it's just important to be safe because you don't know when danger can come around. So it's always important to know what to do in these situations. So I'm going to get started and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Number 1. So number one in my list would have to be stranger safety. So I'm going to be honest, my school never really had any stranger safety. Stranger safety, what's it called? Stranger safety assemblies. I don't know why my school never did any stranger safety assemblies, but I wish they did, because honestly, it would have been a good idea just in case we had little kids who didn't know about stranger safety and how to be safe when it comes to strangers and stuff. So today, excuse me, where is my brain now? Anyway, stranger safety is just super important because the children need to know who they can trust and who they can't trust, because they have to learn they can't trust everyone in the world, especially anywhere, like how they need to be careful of when a stranger approaches them and asks to give them a ride, when a stranger approaches them and tries to offer them candy. You just need to be careful. It's just stranger safety is really important, especially with little kids who walk home from school. Number 2. Number 2 on my list would have to be fire safety assemblies. We always had these at my school when I was a kid. I don't know if some of you guys are my age and you remember this song. I'm going to sing it really quick.
Be cool about fire safety.
Let me know if any of you remember that, or if they still do it at schools, because they used to do it at my school all the time when I was a kid. This is just really important because kids need to know what to do when a fire happens, like if it's at their home, at a place they're at, or if their clothes catch on fire, like stop, drop, and roll, or what to do when there's smoke in your house, like fall and crawl on the floor just so you don't breathe the smoke in. It was just a really fun assembly because it would have like some pretty catchy songs, like the Be Cool About Fire Safety one, which was one I would sing all the time, and then the other one, which was Fall and Crawl. I'll sing that one for you.
Fall and crawl.
And it made like how to be safe in a fire really fun and educational for a lot of the students at my school, because a lot of the kids thought it was pretty fun of what to do when a fire happens and how to be safe when a fire happens. So it was a pretty fun safety assembly. I don't know if they do it at schools anymore, but I know they definitely did it almost every year, especially when I was in kindergarten through 5th grade. It was just a really popular assembly. Number 3. Number 3 on my list would have to be street safety. So street safety was a very important thing that they had when I was a kid. Street safety was just super important because not a lot of kids knew how to be safe in the streets, like what not to do in the streets, like don't look at your phone and text while walking across the street, don't talk on your phone while walking across the street. And it's just good to be aware of when cars are coming, because you don't know when a car is going to come, and how to cross a crosswalk. That's what it's called, crosswalk. So street safety is just super important because not a lot of kids are very aware of their surroundings, especially when they're crossing the street. Number 4. I have to make this quick because my phone is at 31% and I didn't realize I was missing this clip until I was going through my video. Anyway, number 4 on my list should be internet safety. So they didn't really have internet safety assemblies for when I was a kid. I don't know why, maybe because we didn't have a lot of social media and stuff, but nowadays they make a lot of internet safety assemblies because there are a lot of kids that go on the internet, and it's also good safety because kids need to be careful. They shouldn't be giving out any personal information on the internet because once things are on the internet, it's never forgotten. So you just need to be careful of things you post, like things you post on YouTube, that's never forgotten. Things you post on Facebook, they're never forgotten. Things you post on Instagram are never forgotten. So always be safe and also be careful because there's a lot of creeps on the internet and you don't want to talk to people you don't know on the internet. Number 5. Number 5 on my list would have to be food safety. So, I don't know why I thought of a food safety assembly. I thought that would be kind of weird, but I think it's just a good thing so kids know what foods not to eat all the time or how to be safe, keep food certain foods safe, especially when you're in a grocery store. I don't know why I thought of this one because they never did food safety assemblies when I was a kid, but I think this should be taught for kids because then they know what foods are healthy and what foods are not healthy, and it's just like a good thing, and also how to take care of food and how to keep it from getting bad, or how to keep yourself safe from eating food that's maybe left out all night or something. So basically it's always important to be safe with your food and eat healthy food, especially at school. So those are my top 5 safety assemblies. I don't know why I said 10 when I meant to say 5. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post every day except for Tuesday and Friday afternoon sometimes, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.